Hello guys, so this time we're going to transform standard to general form of the equation and vice versa. So we're already on the last two sections of conic sections, the ellipse and hyperbola. So this time we're going to transform into the standard form. So we have 4x squared plus 25y squared is equal to 100. So don't forget to divide all the terms ng 100 over 100. So this will become x squared over 25 plus y squared over 4 is equal to 1. And this will be our final answer. Next. So this time, transform natin into the standard form. So combine natin all y's and all x's. So you have 25y squared plus 50y minus 169x squared plus 676x. Tapos, we're going to transpose 4,876 on the right side. So this time, we're going to perform completing the square method. So you have 25y squared plus 50y plus blank. Next term, you have plus negative 169x plus 676x plus blank is equal to 4876 plus blank plus blank. Okay, so this time you already have the following two completing the square terms. So you have already, the first term is y, you also have the remaining part is the x. So complete the square natin. So you also have to take out or factor out 25. So this will become 25 times the quantity y squared plus 2y plus of the blank, then minus 169 times x squared minus 4x plus blank. Then don't forget the constant on the right side, 4,876 plus blank plus blank. Okay, remember, like what we did doon sa parabola and the circle, no? Still the same pa rin. So this time, we're going to perform the completing the square for each sides. So we know already the half of 2 is already 1. And the half of 4 is 2. Then 2 squared is 4 then, di ba? So we already know that this is already in the form of y plus 1 quantity squared. Then, yung remaining term natin, you also have in the form of x minus 2 quantity squared. So, don't forget lang natin yung terms which is already on the outside. So, meron tayong terms na 25 and minus 169. So, that's the time we're going to multiply to each value to the right side. So, you have already 4,876 plus yung first blank natin is already 25 times 1. It's because of this term. Plus the remaining term, which is you have negative 169 times 4. So kung isi-simplify natin, so this is already 4,876 plus 25 minus 676. So therefore, So simplifying all those constants, so 4876 plus 25 minus 676. So the answer will be 4,225. And the remaining terms is already 25 times y plus 1 quantity squared plus minus 169 times x minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 4,225. So simplify all the values natin on the right side. So this will become 4,225. So don't forget to divide by 4,225 to all terms. So para maging standard form, so therefore this will become quantity y plus 1 squared over 169 minus quantity x minus 2 quantity squared over 25 is equal to 1. Okay, next. So we already have the number 3. So again, we're going to transform uh, into the standard to general. So pabaliktad. So this time we have the following terms. So remember natin the LCD of the denominators. So you also have 175. So prime factors of 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Remember, factors of 75 is 5 times 5 times 3. So LCD not LCD, this will become 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 3. So all in all, this will be 300. So the LCD of this term is 300. 300 divided by 100 is 3 times x squared is 3x squared minus, you also have the remaining term, 300 divided by 75 is 6 times y squared is equal to 300. This should be 4. So 300 divided by 75. So how many? So the remaining is 4, not 6. So it should be 4. So state natin into the general form, 3x squared minus 4y squared minus 300 is equal to 0. And this will be our standard form to general. Next. So this time we're going to transform standard to general form. So this time we have the following form, 25 and 9. So remember, there are no common factors between 25 and 9. So all you can do is multiply to each sides, no? Or you can also get the LCD, which is 25 by 9, which is 5 by 5, 3 by 3. So the answer is multiplied by 25 by 9 is 225. So 225. So 225 divided by 25 is 9 times quantity x plus 2 squared plus 25 25 divided by 9 is 25 times y minus 5. Quantity squared is equal to 225. So don't forget to expand these terms. So para makuha natin yung general form, so this will become x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 25 times y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 225. So this will become 9x squared plus 36x plus 36 plus 25y squared minus 250y plus 625 minus 225 is equal to 0. So you're going to arrange all the terms with the highest powers muna. You also have 9x squared plus 25y squared plus 36x remaining minus 250y. Then all the constants. So bilugan natin 36. Ito mga constants. So simplify natin 36 plus 625 minus 225. So therefore the remaining term is positive 436 is equal to 0. So that will be our general form. So for the remaining exercises, I'll be giving you a short task to work on. So it is flash on your screen.